Fáilte a chairde ag an céad Rang Gaeilge ar líne, the first Rang Gaeilge Sawala from home. Hope you're all happy about it. I'm happy to have you here listening. It's me Caoimhe. Hope you're not all missing me too much. And today we're going to be learning about na fór aim nacha reo achla. Na fór aim reo achla. They're the prepositional pronouns. Yay! So, the first one we're going to look at today is which means on, to put something on. So we'll start with on me, which is orm. On you is art. On him, air. On her, he. On us, arin. On nuisances, artiv. And on them, arhu. So let's try and make some sentences with that. For example, ta something orm. I want you to try 3 sentences using different ones with the words kota, hata, and broge. So for example, ta kota orm. So you can pause the video here and try them yourself. Here's mine. Ta kota orm, ta hata orm, neil broge orm. And that's an will, ta or neil. An will kota art, ta kota orm, neil kota orm. So ken do you win to Carnegie Hall amach? What are you asking you here? Clock do. Practice. How do you get to Carnegie Hall? An will, ta or neil, orm, of he. So my shiv, well done. It's just a wee quick one, but you can listen to that again. And now, we're going to move on to some Leo Hishkinch. Leo reading, Hishkinch understanding or comprehension. What you comprehend. And it's from the book Rang Gaeilge Lago La. And that's by A.J. Hughes. And we're on Chapter 3. So we've done a couple of these in class already. So you can pause the video here and have a read through. When you've done that, I'm going to go through the underlined phrases to give you a hand. Marshinde, which means therefore. And you would use it in a sentence like ta and I'm sure für. Marshinde ta kota orm. Ta and I'm sure für. Marshinde ta kota orm. Killian she shin. That means. Killian she shin. Ta tarsha orm. Killian she shin. Go will brown orm. So that go will. It's like ta. Go will brown orm. Is onnen shin agus a ra. Which is, that is to say. Is onnen shin agus a ra. Now, Johnny try to make up your own sentence for that one, and you can pause here. Fagan shin, that leaves. Fagan shin, fag to leave. Fagan shin, that leaves. So, Neil me bronach. I'm not sad. Neil me bronach. Fagan shin. Go will me sasta, that leaves that I am happy. Neil me bronach, fagan shin, go will me sasta. Yay! Now, here are your questions. Have a read through them. And there are your answers. Our shanlockle and lay is at the bottom of the page. Caster na dini a Gaeilge ach ní chaster na sléibhte ná na cruc. That is very applicable to right now. You tell me what it means in the WhatsApp group. Okay, good luck. Okay, Gaeilge, Sinead, that's it. Bain Arish, I'll be back again, don't you worry, next week. Agus, Najan Jarmid, don't forget, Ní dó láha le do hol, son na doctorí, agus na banaltrí. Slán go fáil ó meise agus cala.